What is up guys, Tan of the sides. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the DeepSeek API in n8n. So first you need to head over to your DeepSeek API's platform by just simply typing platform.deepseek.com, and after that you need to click on API keys. After clicking on API keys, here you can see I have already created an API key, but I will create a new API key for you. I'll click on create API key and then I need to name the API key. I'll give it new123 and then I'll click on create API key. After clicking on create API key, here my API key will be created. I'll just simply copy it, head back to n8n, and then just click on this plus icon from here. And after clicking, I'll just search for DeepSeek, and after searching I'll click on it once, and after that here I'll click on create new credential, and I'll paste my API key and click on save to create my DeepSeek account connection. So this is how you can use the DeepSeek API key in n8n. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.